again, well, my name is Miriam Smith on Facebook, Eleanor TKY Matwal on Facebook. So today we're going to singing a song, and I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you. No dedication time though.
An empty street, an empty house, ooh, yeah. I hold the time apart. I'm not alone, the arms are getting smaller. Oh yeah. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder with the other days we had, the songs sang together. Oh yeah. And oh my love, Dusty, I'm holding on forever. I'm reaching for the love that seems so far.